Ever leave the house feeling like you've got everything under control? Your hair's perfect, your outfit's on point, and your skin is glowing? But then, as soon as you step into school, it's like the school air starts working against you. By midday, your hair's a mess, your skin feels oily, and your confidence takes a hit. If this sounds all too familiar, stick around, because I'm sharing my top tips to keep you looking and feeling fresh all day long, no matter what the school air throws your way. Hygiene is the key. Start your day with a refreshing shower to wash away sweat and dirt. Use a body wash that wakes you up and leaves you feeling clean and ready for the day. Give your teeth a thorough brushing and follow up with mouthwash. This combo not only fights bad breath, but also ensures your smile stays bright and confident throughout the day. Apply deodorant to stay fresh and dry, and consider adding a light body spray for a subtle, pleasant fragrance. This way, you'll smell great from the moment you walk into school until the final bell rings. Skincare. Start your skincare routine by washing your face with a gentle cleanser that removes dirt and oil. This step helps keep your skin clean and preps it for the next stages of your routine. After cleansing, apply a lightweight moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated and glowing. It helps to lock in moisture and prevents your skin from looking dull or flaky. Don't skip sunscreen, even if you're mostly indoors. It protects your skin from harmful UV rays and cause premature aging and damage, keeping your complexion healthy and youthful. Haircare. Wash your hair regularly with a shampoo suited to your hair type. This keeps your hair clean, free of buildup, and looking its best throughout the day. On days when you're short on time, reach for dry shampoo. It absorbs excess oil, refreshes your hair, and gives it a just-washed look without needing a full wash. Opt for easy and practical hairstyles like braids or ponytails. These styles help keep your hair in place and looking neat, saving you time and effort. Styling your hair and hijabs. A simple bun keeps your hair off your neck, helping you stay cool and focused throughout the school day. A high pony keeps your hair neat and out of the way, perfect for staying fresh all day in class. This style gives a cute, fresh look while keeping your hair off your face for focus and fun. Braids stay secure and neat, so you won't have to worry about touch-ups during the school day. A lightweight, breathable hijab style keeps you cool and comfy while focusing on your studies. Clothing. Choose clothes that are both stylish and comfortable. Opt for breathable fabrics that allow you to move freely and stay cool, ensuring you feel good and look great. Use layers like hoodies or jackets that you can easily add or remove based on the temperature. This way, you can adjust your outfit as needed and stay comfortable all day. If you wear a uniform, make sure it's clean and neatly pressed. Tuck in your shirt and check for any stains or wrinkles. Or heading out, clothes or uniform that fit well and boost your confidence. A well-fitted outfit not only looks better, but also makes you feel more self-assured and ready to take on the day. Minimal makeup. Stick to a simple makeup routine that includes just the essentials: mascara, lip balm, and a touch of blush. This keeps you looking fresh and natural without taking up too much time. Use makeup products that are long-lasting to avoid constant touch-ups. This ensures your look stays put from morning until evening, so you can focus on your day without worrying about your makeup. Confidence. Maintain good posture by standing tall and walking with confidence. How you carry yourself can greatly influence how others perceive you and how you feel about yourself. Cultivate a positive mindset and believe in yourself. Confidence comes from within, and when you feel good about who you are, it shows in your actions and interactions with others. Stay fresh, on the go. Pack a small kit with mini deodorant, face wipes, and a travel-size perfume. These items are perfect for quick touch-ups between classes, helping you stay fresh and confident. Keep a water bottle handy and drink regularly throughout the day. Staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining your energy levels and keeping your skin looking its best. Cool showers. Opt for cool showers to invigorate your body and prevent your skin from drying out. Cool water helps you wake up and feel refreshed, setting a positive tone for the day. After a long day, a cool shower can help you unwind and feel rejuvenated. It's a great way to relax and wash off the day's stress before you settle down for the evening. Stay organized. Keep your backpack and school supplies organized to minimize stress and distractions. Clutter-free bag and workspace help you stay focused and manage your tasks more efficiently. Use a planner or digital app to keep track of assignments, deadlines, and activities. Staying organized with a clear schedule helps you stay on top of your responsibilities and reduces last-minute stress. Nutrition. Eat nutrition-dense food to help you feel good and stay fresh all day long. It's important to eat balanced food. Avoid processed food and try to eat healthy food as much as possible. Regular sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night to ensure you wake up feeling rested and alert. Consistent, quality sleep is essential for maintaining your energy levels and overall well-being. Stick to a regular bedtime to help regulate your body's internal clock. A consistent sleep schedule improves the quality of your rest and helps you feel more refreshed in the morning. Stay indoors during peak heat. During the hottest parts of the day, try to stay indoors to avoid overheating. Excessive heat can lead to dehydration and discomfort, so staying cool is important for your well-being. If you must be outside, find shaded areas and drink plenty of water. Keeping hydrated and cool helps you stay comfortable and prevents heat-related issues. With these simple tips, you'll stay fresh and confident all day at school. Remember, it's all about feeling good and being yourself. You are perfect the way you are. Don't forget to enjoy your school, college, or university. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.